Hello, in today's video we'll be replacing the front brakes on a Ford Mustang. We'll be replacing the stock brakes with slotted and drilled rotors, as well as ceramic brake pads. The first thing we do is lift the vehicle and remove the wheel. And unfortunately this wheel is stuck to the hub. So we want to hit behind the tire with the rubber mallet. And now we want to remove the two caliper bolts, which we will need a 14mm socket for. And your caliper should just slide out easily. So you want to move it out of the way and position it so it doesn't hang on the brake hose. And we can now slide out the brake pads. And next we can remove the caliper bracket, which we will need a 15mm socket to remove the two bolts. And now we can remove the rotor. And if your rotor is stuck like this one, you want to spray a little WD-40. And I use rubber heater hose to protect the threads. And now you want to use a hammer on the rotor till it separates from the hub. And now just completely remove the rotor. And this is our new rotor, which we want to clean with brake cleaner. We want to remove any rust protective coating or grease that we may have put on the rotor. And we can now install our new rotor on the hub. They will normally come labeled as driver side or passenger side. If they are slotted and drilled, they are directional, so just match them accordingly. Next we want to lubricate the brake pad mounting clips. It doesn't need much, just a little bit will do. And you want to make sure that the pins have enough grease as well. And they should just pop out. And you want to lubricate both per bracket if needed. And it should just push back in. And we can now reinstall the bracket. And now we want to compress a brake caliper. So I use the spreading tool and an old brake pad. And I go back and forth from one side to the other until they're both compressed. And you want to keep an eye on the brake fluid reservoir so it doesn't overfill. Most of these warning tabs come pre-installed on the brake pad. If not, just push them in the notched area. And we can now lubricate the back of the brake pads. And you want to lubricate them in the contact points of the brake caliper. Just use your old brake pads as a guide. And we can now install the new brake pads. I find it best to install the upper notch first. And we can now reinstall the brake caliper. You want to push down on the brake caliper mounting pins as you do. And we can now reinstall the two bolts. And you want to be sure to give it a quick double check. And this is the direction that the slots and holes should go. And we can now reinstall the wheel. And finally, we want to torque the wheels. And we want to follow the same procedure for the other side.